Introducing the 2025 Porsche 911 GT3 RS, and no-compromise machine built for the racetrack. It's not just a car, it's a declaration of performance. From the Nürburgring to your nearest circuit, this beast means business. Built with aerodynamic obsession, the GT3 RS features an oversized rear wing, active aeroflaps, and a motorsport-derived diffuser that generate downforce like a prototype racer. Every vent has a purpose. At its heart beats a 518 horsepower naturally aspirated 4.0-liter flat-six engine, screaming up to 9,000 RPM. It sprints from 0 to 60 in just 3.0 seconds with track-tuned precision. Inside, it's pure motorsport. Carbon fiber seats, a race-spec steering wheel, and a digital telemetry display make this cockpit feel more like a GT3 Cup car than a road vehicle. Double wishbone front suspension, adjustable dampers, and carbon ceramic brakes offer unshakable control. Whether attacking corners or stomping on the straights, it stays planted like a race car. That symphony from the dual exhausts is raw and mechanical, an unfiltered flat-six roar that sends shivers down your spine. It doesn't whisper, it screams. Track-focused tech like live telemetry, lap tracking, and drive mode customization lets you fine-tune the GT3 RS to every inch of the circuit. This is data-driven dominance. On the track, the GT3 RS is fearless, attacking apexes, devouring straights, and dancing through chicanes. It's not just fast, it's focused, with motorsport DNA in every corner. Compared to its predecessor, the 2025 GT3 RS gains sharper aero, more power, and smarter tech. Every inch has evolved, not for luxury, but for lap times. The 2025 Porsche 911 GT3 RS isn't just built for the track, it belongs there. It's a celebration of pure performance, screaming engines, and passionate driving. The legend continues.